I'm Dr. Nanda Rajneesh. I did my MBBS and MS surgery in Mysore Medical College. After doing that, I did my training in OncoSurgery, especially in gastrointestinal oncosurgery. I'm specialized also in Laparoscopic Surgery. I worked in St. John's Medical College for nearly 10 years as a professor, and before I moved to Nova as one of the founding members of Nova Surgery Speciality, which is a very well designed short stay surgery center in the country, now which has become a part of Apollo Spectra Hospitals. So when I did my training in cancers, I realized that what is most important for the patients is to understand the disease, one, and also accept the disease that they've got. Because there was concept that once an individual gets any cancer disease or cancer problem, they used to think that their life is over. But because of advance in the technology and detection of the early cancers, one, and also because of the treatment that is available in our country also, that is treatment what people get in most advanced technology countries, we are also able to provide the same treatment to our patients. Another drawback that I have seen for my cancer patients is that the cost that is involved with the treatment of cancer. So it is very important how we divide the cost on different care that is needed for these patients. In my experience, being a lady surgeon, I also realized that how excessive physical work can impact our own body and mind. So I believe in talking to a lot of people on health in terms of lifestyle too.